Canaccord Genuity Direct App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Canaccord Genuity Direct is a brokered app offering access to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds and more. Many investors assume traditional brokers are expensive, but Canaccord Genuity combines professional tools with competitive pricing. The app has no account opening fees, but trading commissions start at $95 per trade for US stocks and ETFs. For mutual funds, fees vary depending on the fund family. The platform also offers managed portfolios with annual advisory fees ranging from 0.25% to 0.50% depending on account size. Most people get this wrong by assuming brokerage apps are purely transactional. The surprising truth is Canaccord Genuity Direct provides research tools, performance tracking, and educational resources. For example, users can access equity research reports directly in the app to make informed decisions before buying or selling. Additional features include real-time market data, portfolio analysis, and integration with other financial accounts. These tools allow investors to monitor risk, evaluate returns, and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, Canaccord Genuity Direct offers a professional-level investing experience with clear pricing. Its combination of trading options, research tools, and account management makes it suitable for both individual investors and those seeking a more structured investment approach.